So sometimes you can see the early signs of a squash vine borer without actually going down and even looking at the vine. And you can do it like looking at your leaves. Well, these leaves look all healthy, but hello, what do we got here? Well, upon investigation, we at least had one borer down there. And there's one right there. There's one right there on the leaf. And oh look, there's a couple right here on the vine. So we use the insecticide and get rid of them. But you see, you notice how I just saw this leaf here and it just looked kind of odd. You know, it's not totally yellow yet. So the leaf may not survive, but the plant will, because I can just use the insecticides on them right here. But yeah, that's one thing you don't want to ignore. I know a lot of people think yellowing leaves are normal. Well, I would say they're normal later in the season, but earlier in the season, you shouldn't have too many. You see one yellowing like that, that can be a sign that there's a vine borer. Over here, these ones were attacked by cucumber beetles, which when the plant gets big, cucumber beetles aren't much more than a nuisance, but when it's kind of small, they can kill them. They actually killed a few of my seedlings this year, but they won't be able to kill this big plant. There's just not enough of them, but they can scar up the leaves on it. But yep, that's just one way you can see a nearby pest, likely a vine borer. Just look for a slight yellowing of the leaf there.